Hello everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a comparison between Beehiiv versus Substack. In this video, we're going to dive deep into these powerful newsletter and blogging platforms, helping you decide which one is best suited for your content creation needs. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and these two platforms are leading the charge. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the key differences between Beehiiv and Substack, their pricing structures, and which platform might be the better fit for your own needs. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. First off, let's start with a brief overview of each platform to set the stage for our comparison. Starting with Beehiiv, it positions itself as the newsletter platform built for growth. Its primary focus is on helping creators start and grow their newsletters. The platform offers two main features. You've got the website creation, a home base for your content and readers, and newsletter tools for engaging readers directly in their inboxes, emails, etc. Beehiiv's approach is centered around giving creators the tools that they need to build and nurture their audience independently. Next up, we have Substack. On the other hand, is both a platform for writers and a marketplace for readers. It allows creators to start newsletters and blogs with the added benefit of built-in monetization features. Substack also has a mobile application, making it easy for subscribers to read content on the go. And this dual nature of Substack sets it apart in the content creation space. The distinctions between Beehiiv and Substack are crucial in determining which platform aligns best with your own goals. So let's go ahead and break down the main differences. The first one is audience approach, as Beehiiv focuses solely on creators, providing tools to build and grow your audience independently. Substack serves both writers and readers, offering a marketplace where readers can discover new content. This fundamental difference in approach affects how you will interact with and grow your audience on each platform. Second, we have monetization, as Beehiiv requires you to market your content elsewhere and handle payments separately, whereas Substack allows you to monetize directly on the platform with built-in paid subscription options. The monetization strategy you prefer will play a significant role in your platform choice. Third is discovery, as Beehiiv does not have a built-in discovery feature for readers, whereas Substack has a marketplace where readers can find and subscribe to content that they are interested in. Again, this difference impacts how easily new readers can find your own content. And finally, we have the pricing structure, as Beehiiv offers a free model with paid tiers based on subscriber count, whereas Substack is free to use but takes a 10% cut of paid subscriptions. Understanding these pricing models is also crucial for your long-term content strategy. And now that we have outlined the key differences, let's take a closer look at each platform's pricing and the features. So starting with Beehiiv's pricing structure, it's designed to grow with your audience. You start with a free plan that's available for up to 2,500 subscribers, and it includes the custom website, a custom newsletter. You can have up to 3 publications, and the most notable one is unlimited email sends with campaign analytics. However, if you want to go up a notch when it comes to the tiers, you've got the scale plan at $31.20 per month. And if you want to, you can grab the link below this video for a 30-day free trial. This will give you a better feel for the platform as you test different kind of plans and see which one gives you the best features for your own needs and goals. So for the scale plan, this price is up to 1,000 subscribers. So if, let's say, you started with a free plan, you actually managed to get 2,500 subscribers, and then you wanted to upgrade your plan, keep the same amount of subscribers, then in this case you would have to pay $47.20 per month. On top of everything in the basic plan, you will also have your ad network, boost network, premium subscriptions. One of the most notable features is that you will get access to the email automations and of course your referral program. And perhaps as your newsletter keeps growing, maybe you will want to add more teammates, then you will also get unlimited teammates on this plan. Moving up a notch, we have the max plan at 2,500 subscribers, priced at $103 per month. And the most notable thing about this plan is that you can remove the Beehiiv branding completely and add your own brand elements instead. You also get access up to 10 publications, and you've got the newsletter XP course. Again, the most notable one is that you can remove the Beehiiv branding entirely and add your own instead. So I would say that Beehiiv is ideal for creators who want full ownership of their email list. If you prefer to market your content independently or need a simple growth-focused newsletter platform. This platform focus on growth and ownership makes it an attractive option for you if you want to maintain a complete control over your audience. Substack takes a different approach with its pricing. pricing. So it's free to publish, no upfront costs or subscriber limits, but they do take a 10% fee on paid subscriptions, and writers keep 90% of subscription revenue. In my opinion, Substack is best for creators who want to tap into an existing reader base, or if you're looking for built-in monetization options and prefer a platform that combines publishing and distribution. This model is particularly appealing if you look to focus on content creation without worrying too much about the technical aspects of monetization. So when it comes to choosing between Beehiiv and Substack, your decision will largely depend on your specific needs and goals. I would say choose Beehiiv if you already have an email list or a way to build one, if you want to have full control over your subscriber data, and if you prefer a growth-focused platform with more customization options. However, you may want to choose Substack if you want to tap into an existing reader marketplace, or if you're looking for built-in monetization features, or if you are okay with sharing a percentage of your earnings in exchange for platform benefits. Remember, the best choice is not always a clear cut. Consider your long-term goals and how each platform aligns with your vision for your content. And with that, we'll have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.